week, that week before, and his last words to me were, "You're the most beautiful girl in the world." I went to the funeral, his eyes closed, dressed in a suit, hands folded. He never wore a suit. And everyone, brothers, sisters, uncles, cousins, talked about past weddings, other times together. I wanted to tell them to pay him some respect. Don't laugh.